Welcome to Michigan Sunrise Side Today. I'm Kevin Allen, and joining me from Michigan Farm Bureau and Farm Bureau Insurance, the Alpena agency there, is Bob Barrigar. Bob, how are you today?
Good morning. Great. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Glad to have you on the show with us to talk about, the Michigan Farm Bureau and the Agent Charitable Fund. You guys are getting together for the Million Meal Challenge. Tell us a little bit about what this is all about, Bob.
As soon as the governor called off the schools, we kind of acted quick on this as an organization that can turn on a dime.
Yeah.
We put together a kind of program of how we could help these kids that aren't getting their food from their schools. They're used to eating 2 meals a day, at least breakfast and lunch. So we try to think of a way, how can we get these meals into the households of the kids? We worked with Dr. Knight with the food banks around Michigan, and we put up a number that we thought that we could hit to supply 1 million meals to the state of Michigan. And from that idea, it just spawned into what do we need to make it happen, and finding the funding is what it's all about.
Okay, now how are you going about doing that? What do the people who are listening in right now need to do, Bob?
So we created a Facebook page for the Agent Charitable Fund. If you go on Facebook and look that up, it should be easy to find, or agentcharitablepund.org. When you go to that, you'll see a bulletin for the Million Meal Challenge. What's happened is Farm Bureau Insurance and the Agent Charitable Fund has donated $50,000 each. The goal that we need to hit is $200,000 to purchase 1 million meals. If we can raise $50,000 together, Michigan Farm Bureau and the Agent Charitable Fund will match another $50,000 in donations. So that'll put us at the $200,000 mark. Very
nice. Now, is there a time limit to this? What are the dates for this?
This is something we really have to move fast on because their families are so in need. So the campaign's actually ending this Friday, so we only have a couple more days at midnight. But we're very close. The last I looked, we were at 35,750 donated. Nice. So it doesn't take much for the people that have it to donate $5, $10.
Yeah.
If we all pitch in, it'll get us there quick.
Boy, yeah. Now, when it comes to our kids, what price, right? That's something that people really should be thinking about. Exactly. The Million Meal Challenge, you only got a couple of days to be a part of this. Now, Bob, again, give out the important numbers and sites that they need to go to help make this a reality.
So Agent Charitable Fund, you can search us, just Google it and find us, or jump on our Facebook page. For sure, give us a like. Agent Charitable Fund, you can find it through Farm Bureau Insurance. You can find it through any of the agencies in that area. Kevin Smith, go on his agency Facebook page and find it. It's very simple. You just click a couple buttons and you can donate right online. You can be anonymous if you want to, or you can get some praise for doing some good.
Very good. So head to the website, give the phone number, you get that number, and be a part of it. And let's help feed the children during this crisis time. And from Alpena Farm Bureau Insurance, Bob Barrigar. Bob, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Be safe, my friend.
Thank you so much for your help.